This is John Cleese's YouTube channel, and this is the 911 Turbo 997 Gen 2, so 997.2. Now, we fit a CarPlay module in this. What we've basically done is retrospectively fitted Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to work for the original PCM screen. So let's go inside and have a look. I'll show you how it works and what exactly we've done. Now we're sat inside the car. I'm going to actually just run you through how this kit works. Now, obviously, you've probably seen on our YouTube channel we do change these stereos quite a lot, but more so on the 997 Gen 1, because this one's quite a nice screen. Well, I say it's quite a nice screen. It's a bit antiquated, but it does the job. And some of our clients want to keep the originality of the screen, which we get. So we've actually managed to add Apple CarPlay to the original screen, as well as a reverse camera as well, which I will show shortly. Now, it's quite simple. I'm going to hold down the return key on the factory PCM system to go through to the CarPlay module. This is like the home screen. Now, to connect my phone to it, all I do is go on Bluetooth on my mobile, because it's wireless Apple CarPlay. We don't have to plug the phone in. I'm going to find the module's name at the bottom. I'm going to select it. It's going to ask me to do a Bluetooth pairing request. I'm going to hit allow. I'm also going to allow my contacts and favourites sync so I can see who's calling me when it comes up. And then what it's going to do is going to start connecting CarPlay on the screen. It's going to ask me, do I want to allow it? I hit use CarPlay, and I'm going to wait for now the handshake to be done across. It's going to switch from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi, which is better resolution for sound quality and obviously better phone calls. And then voila, I'm now connected with Apple CarPlay. Now, the only downside I would say on CarPlay on this screen is two particular downsides in my opinion. A, the resolution of this screen isn't brilliant, so the resolution isn't perfect compared to more modern cars. Not the end of the world, because you can still see it. And also, this is something called a resistive touchscreen, so it's not going to be as responsive as your iPhone. You're going to have to put more pressure on it when you're sliding left to right. Now, that's only me being OCD. You know, I just prefer a higher resolution screen, but you can see it works perfectly. So I can go on maps. I can then navigate using the full touchscreen and all the factory controls. Okay, I've also got rotary dial control as well, so if you don't want to use the touchscreen, you can actually use the factory rotary dial and navigate through and then click it into select. It's very seamless the way it works, extremely good option for someone that wants to keep the factory screen but have CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, one nice little feature we've also added is a reverse camera. So if I put my foot on the brake, put it in reverse, the picture is going to automatically appear on the back. I'm going to have fixed guidelines which we can turn off or on should you wish, and you can see a great view because it can actually pick up just about the number plate. Now, on a Porsche 997, we'll show you in a second, the camera is quite low on this car, but you can still see about 8 foot up our brick wall of our workshop, which is about 20 to 30 feet behind us. So extremely good vertical viewing angle on this camera, perfect for low mounted cameras in low mounted cars like this one. Now, that's about it for the CarPlay kit. If you've got any more questions, drop us a comment, but now what we'll do is we'll go and actually show you what we've done with the camera. So I'm going to get on my knees for this one. You're going to see a nice flush fit camera here. It's extremely subtle, so from above where Max is recording right now, you're going to barely notice it. But when you come down to, well, knee height, you're going to see it just there. Extremely nice flush fitted camera with a great viewing angle. Our favourite camera pretty much to fit nowadays, especially on these cars. But for now, that's about it from this installation. This is a 997. We can also fit these CarPlay modules on 991s, and we don't need 992 because it's got CarPlay standard, but 997, 991s we can fit CarPlay on and do the reverse camera. And about it, that's about me signing off for now. I'll see you soon. It's Connor from John Cleese, Max on the camera, signing off. See you later.